Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Tutorial Lore. Today, I'm going to teach you how to cancel join request in Telegram, so be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel Tutorial Lore. Let's go for how to cancel join request in Telegram. First, you have to open the Telegram application in your smartphone. Now click on three dots and then find the option settings and click on it. After that, you can search privacy or security, and also you can see it on the home page of settings. Now click on privacy or security, and then swipe down and find the option named invites and click on it. Now, if you want that, no one can add you to the group, then you can click on nobody. And if you want, only your contacts can add you in the groups, so you can select the option, my contacts. Now, if you want anyone, can add you in the group, so you can select everyone. So this all in today's video. Hope you must have understood that how to cancel join request in Telegram. There is no easier way than this. If you still don't understand anything, then you can comment. I will definitely reply to you or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button and press the subscribe, drop a comment. It motivates us to create more tutorial videos for you. Thank you.